T-spool!
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 And I ran around with it on fire.
Oh, is this TylerTSpool? Is this TylerTSpool? Is this Tyler? So you call me. You could like, it's like catching me with my pants down. So I'm doing some prep in my backyard because December 30th, I'm gonna have the craziest, most thing event ever in my life. So I have to patch up all the potholes. People are gonna be bringing their 4-wheelers, like Cody and Cam, and some other people you haven't met yet. Also, my uncle with his big ass dually. So we're doing a bit of prep. I gotta, like you've seen in the like you've seen in my first couple videos when I was using this and my 4-wheeler on the back. Filling up, instead of filling up mud pits, I'm filling up mud holes. God damn it, Larry!
Oh, what wrong?
No, you put it in upside down.
Like this?
You drop it in.
What?
Drop it in there. You gotta
What?
wiggle till you find it.
I got it! You messed me up! I like it like this.
You're putting it in the wrong way.
I like it this way.
Well, I don't care.
I like it this way.
I don't care. Put it in through the top.
Whoa.
Lights.
Lights! Oh, God! Lights!
Here.
Lights!
I'm sorry.
Oh, look up!
Get in there.
Get in there!
Get in there.
Stop!
All right. So we got Matt in the Polar Express rod.
Good boy! Jackknife it!
Come on.
I need my shovel right, brother. What kind of shovel is that, brother?
I can't find my shovel.
Sorry, don't mind me. That'll work. That'll work.
Where's my shovel?
There you go, brother. In my brain. Oh, it's in here. Hurry, don't go tonight. That's my bad.
Where is my shovel?
I'll find it.
Where's the shovel?
It's in there. It's not in there. Let me look. You look.
Wait a my shovel!
Find the shovel now.
Looks like the shovel don't even
Right out your own face.
How are you gonna shovel things without a shovel?
I don't even know.
I told you to bring your shovel!
I don't have a shovel.
It's like probably
I
bringing
drive
scrap
a
now!
lower truck. 4-3 glare.
Where's the shovel?
Tyler, your bed light. Your bed light got sold. I know. Where's your bed light? Where's your bed light? That's for another video.
This doohickeys gonna have to do for now.
That's for another
Give me.
video.
Come on! What?
Oh,
Fuck off, player!
let me on, driver. Let me on. Good boy. Good boy. You listen to me. Good boy.
I don't even need a thing to fuck you, boy.
Good boy, bro. Good boy. Good boy.
It ain't close enough. Needs more closer.
Needs more closer.
Oh, boy, you ever heard of shovel with spark plugs? Let me show you. Let me show you the shovel with spark plug. Shovel with spark plug. Shovel with the spark plug.
Nope.
You got a shovel. Hit it with the backside. Shovel with the spark plugs. We gotta make one. Daddy's not gonna like this one.
Your engine's misfiring.
Wait, hold on. You get that one, boy? Boy. Boy. So, I tried patching up the holes. Anyways, so we're gonna do
No. That's not Corbin.
it's not.
Those look like S10 taillights.
Anyways. Oh, so we had a little minor.
Minor predicament.
Basically, let me put this in mommy and daddy's terms. They were doing it because it was in the. Oh, sorry. It was in the hole, and then they got a divorce, so he pulled out really fast, broke off. What are you doing? Put the Put the wheel back on.
Ah, damn it. Weak Larry.
Put it all the way on.
It's on.
Okay. Now.
Oh, there it is.
Move.
Better fall off. It fell off in like the worst way possible. I wanted it to fall off as he's going like Mach 7.
Where's the shovel?
I don't know. I'll give him his pins back in a minute.
No, just secretly put them on there. Make him think that he just fell off.
He just said, "Where's the shovel?" Found it. Alright, here we go.
KTM 250.
Wait, I said KTM too.
Yeah, you kept saying KTM. Say the KTM. Starting this thing is hard.
And he lost impression. And he lost impression.
Are you retarded?
I don't even know. Can you pop start it?
With what?
There you go. Damn, why are your hands so flat?
God damn that shit ripped. First year. Ah! Alright, so I know today it started off as a really bad fucking but it's fine. Now if you look here, it's gotten kind of better. We got kams 6-7, the bike,
My choice.
my truck, the quad. Where's Jade at? Jade's over there.
You went over
Hey,
there.
let's see, look. There's Cam. Cameron.
Hi, Powerstrokecentral. I'm a big fan.
Yeah, he wants Powerstrokecentral to see. Yeah. Truck. We're waiting, more people are showing up. Don't worry. We got another 6-0 pulling up. And then a couple of the trucks. And then Powerstroke.
God damn. EGR plug-in is not the fit.
One wheel, one. Holy one wheel wonder. One wheel wonder. He's gonna get stuck in the slop. Are you stuck?
I got these tires are stuck.
Oh my god, they're still spinning. Four-wheel drive, four-wheel drive.
I am.
Oh my god.
Wait.
I told you he was gonna get stuck right here.
No, put it back. When you put it back in gear, it was. Gotta close the hood on the 5.3. Oh, it was already closed.
Bent your truck. Don't fucking talk to me like that, bro. Don't.
Wasn't Jason on the wood?
We got 4.3 Clary now.
4.3 Clary.
4.3 Clary.
Oh yeah.
We got 4.3 Clary, and then Core Buzz, and TylerTSpool, and 6.7 inches.
All right, there we go.
Oh my god! Yeah!
Oh
my god! No, not the gas tank! There's the gas can right there! Oh my god, bro almost dropped it on the fucking tank! Yo, you're so stupid.
I don't care.
coming off my foot.
Right there in the middle. Fine.
Fire! TSpool!
TSpool!
TSpool! TSpool! TSpool! TSpool! What we got here, Cole? Explain.
So, I took a pair of jorts Me and Cole self-tapped it to a piece of wood and I ran around with it on fire. It lit my hand on fire, but we're alright.
I'm hard as a piece of wood.
Pulling it. No, you're not. Jesus Christ. Like that. Excuse me? You fucking go. TylerTSpool driving my truck.
Yeah. Going on 6-7.
Rolling. Stop, bitch.
Obviously, I need to drive the Powerstroke.
Power, shut the fuck up. Alright, run these two fast. Alright. Alright, chill.